In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma to PDF. We'll walk through the whole process from opening your project all the way to finding your finished PDF file on your computer. This is really useful if you want to share designs with clients or teammates who don't use Figma, or if you need a file that's easy to print or attach to an email. First, log into your Figma account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're on your Figma dashboard, look through your files and click on the project that contains the design you want to export. This will open the file in the Figma editor, where you can see your canvas and all your layers. Inside the editor, decide which layer or frame you want to export as a PDF. You can select it directly on the canvas by clicking on it, or you can find it in the Layers panel on the left side of the screen and click it there. It's usually best to export a frame or an artboard, since that gives you more control over what's included. With your layer selected, look over to the right side of the screen. This is the Properties panel, and it shows all the settings for whatever you've selected. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Export. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's usually near the bottom of the panel. In the Export section, click the small plus icon on the right side. This adds an export setting for your selected layer. You'll see options appear where you can adjust the scale and the file format. The scale controls how large the exported file will be relative to your design. For most cases, leaving it at 1x is perfectly fine, but you can increase it if you need a higher resolution. Next, change the file format to PDF. To do this, click the drop-down menu to the right of the scale value. It might show PNG or another format by default. Open that menu and choose PDF from the list of options. Once PDF is selected and your settings look good, you're ready to export. Now, click the Export button that appears in the Export section. It will include the name of the layer or frame you're exporting. Figma will prepare your file and the download should start automatically. When it's done, open your computer's Downloads folder and locate the new PDF file there. And that's it. You've successfully exported from Figma to PDF.